you ever find yourself working on something, collecting indicators from all over the world, different versions, or in my case, it'd be me writing things, on and on and on and on again with the same theory on different deals. It will clutter up your navigator, all these different indicators and all, and you'll spend more time rooting around for it, and you never can remember the name. So what I do is, you see how Bill Williams has his little folder? Well, I have my own little folders. Mostly for scripts, actually, but I do it for indicators also, and rarely for expert advisors. But how do you do that? You go to File, Open Data Folder, MQ4, Indicators, and you create a new one. You know how to do that. You right click, and I'm sure there's other ways to do it. I always do it that way. Click New Folder, and there it is. You can just name it something. SUMPTHIN. I guess that's how you spell something. And then you can take and you can drag these, or whatever it is you're wanting to, drag them up there, put them in something. If you don't want it, just let go of it. Or if you write things or save it or whatever, just save it to that and it'll be there. So you have to restart your platform, but once you restart it, it'll be there in all your things. Like Zup, dang, there's a million of them darn things. Well, maybe it's not a million, but there's, a lot. Just imagine if those were in here, like I said, you'd be scratching around forever trying to find it. But I put them all in Zup. I got them. Market makers, that's something I work on sometimes there. They're all nice and neat right there, orderly. So, and you can have, if I didn't say it, you can have folders within folders. You can keep going deep and that sort of stuff. But anyway, it keeps things, more organized, more efficient, and I guess that's enough efficiency for today.